not the video that I wanted to make. Well, it's a video I wanted to make, but just not the way I wanted to do it, because you can see by the way this package looks, and I'll put 2 pictures of how they deliver it, because we literally just picked it up and brought it inside, because I was just like, yeah. But anyhow, you guys can see this package is destroyed. So I'm really hoping the contents are still in here and they're in one piece, because as you can see, the arrows are facing downwards when it says to be pointing up. Not good. So yeah, like literally, like look at this. And this is literally how it came. Like, you can't make this up. And this is a $5,000 package. So yeah. Like, there's no way else to do this. Like, this is deplorable. I'm definitely gonna have to report this, because I don't even know, like, the contents in here are wet as well, and it was left in the front when it was said to be left in the back. So it's like, I don't even know if everything is in here, but yeah. And this is not on the person who shipped it. This is on the shipping company, because this is upside down. Like, this is not how the package is supposed to be at all. So I'm gonna see like how I'm able to take this out, because I really don't even know. Well, you guys could see, that's the blower itself. Yeah, but it was left upside down, so that's definitely not ideal. Yeah, let's dive into the rest of the stuff, but yeah, I'm definitely not too happy about this. Clamps. This is some sort of 2 clamps. Injector dynamics. Okay, so these are injectors. Well, these are injector harnesses. Connectors, the injectors themselves. So yeah, I'm sorry I'm not enthusiastic, but like, this is just really deplorable. Like, this is a very expensive package, and it was literally just fucked off into this thing. Like, yeah, like literally, I'm sure they just threw this whole thing around. These lines. Adapters and stuff, pulleys, hardware. So this is crazy because this is literally one of the most anticipated videos of this entire channel. So it's just like, yeah, like look at this. The intercooler has like marks on it, dents. Because again, this package was literally just thrown around. I'm definitely gonna need UPS or whomever this is to come up off some money, because this is crazy. Yeah, like all the stuff in here is just scratched up and everything. And then some more hoses and piping and everything. But yeah, like, again, this is a $5,000 package that was just literally fucked off onto the van and thrown around. Like, look at this whole thing is destroyed. So I'm gonna have to make some calls and see, like, yeah, somebody has to come up off some bread. Like, this is just crazy. Yeah, if anything, I'll add it to the end of this video, but at this point, like, comment, and subscribe, and then I'll get to you guys in the next video. Sorry this was the way that this video came out, but this literally was not the intention at all. Like, I've been waiting for this for a very, very long time. Oh, I was kind of rushing, and I forgot that, yeah, I have to take the actual supercharger off and everything like that just to inspect it, but yeah. So you guys can probably tell I'm quite annoyed. But yeah, I'm gonna file a claim and UPS is going to come out of pocket. This is dumb. Yeah, I feel like the valve, there's something kind of got bent. Yeah. All right, yeah.